check. Look out, man.
Look out.
We got Perico in the building.
Man, don't need to bought a damn beef jerky, bro.
Man, I already told him. I be thinking about that ghost hot pepper. That motherfucker, like, it's right there on the. It's right there. Yeah, he got a hot one. Man, it's good too, but it's right there, man. Like, man, it can get almost too hot.
We might need a food.
Yeah, it's a camp. That was Roddy's son driving.
Oh, was it?
Roddy's son. Yeah, that's Roddy's son driving on the motor. They gonna run motor to motor against Danny's son.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's gonna be son on son. I'm betting with Perico.
Yeah, I got
He seemed like he got it. Evie! Can you pass that to the back, mister? Yes, sir. The barbecue one, I eat the barbecue one.
Almost ate that.
What's up, man? We got Rose in the building, man.
What's that? What's that?
With jerky.
Got big things coming this year, man.
Yeah, man, I'm trying to see, man. They trying to invite me to the rim races right now. I'm trying to see, man. I'm letting y'all know now. I'm going anywhere they paying. Anywhere they paying, I'm pulling up. Now, you know it ain't that many people interested in paying. Right lane for the win. That's a straight race car on this side. You know, light. Yeah. That's ZL1. You can drive it out of town. So, full interior.
He should have got in the daily driver race.
He can't whoop that truck though. Can't whoop that truck.
The truck daily driver?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That
okay.
great. Not this one. There's another great S10 back there.
That's
Turbo.
daily
driver.
I want to see that one on the gray one.
That gray one whooping everything. That gray one whooping on everything.
So how we get the S10 on S10 action going now?
We gotta ask them. We gotta ask them.
Oh man. Maybe they're watching. Maybe they'll hear it.
Hey, y'all, get them up there, man. We need to figure out a way to get both of them to run each other. 660, I sure appreciate y'all supporting me, man. You know, you something else, man. I be seeing you everywhere all the time, all your little flags and stuff, man. I appreciate you coming on over here. What's up with it, Key?
What's up, what up?
Another ZL1. This might be the slowest one, though. Out of all the ZL1s here, there's 4 ZL1s here. This is probably the slowest one.
He ain't got a kid, though.
I'm trying to Mustang.
Hey, how much?
Oh, that's on boy, y'all. When I get my car, I'm gonna try that Mustang you got. Bet. I'm in the shop right now, trying to go fast. wasn't the plan. I wish I would have left it alone and stayed on regular 93. Making all that noise and it ain't really spinning no wheel. Yeah, it gotta be turning up.
I
know it.
Gonna burn up.
You gonna burn it. I told y'all that about. What's up with it, man?
You good?
I'm good, man. You know how it
Trying
goes.
to do it again?
Hey. Oh boy, I don't know. It must be something with you, bro.
Man, I don't know that dude, man.
Bro, he just, I swear, he just came back all day. I ain't seen him. He ain't been back on the channel all, man, at least a month, bro. He ain't been on the channel. Today he come, today, bro. He ain't been on there all month. Everybody been, where's Luke Mike? Where's Luke Mike? Man, he ain't came none, bro. And today he came, bro. I don't know, and then you come. You ain't even been here all month.
You're right, but that shit ain't had nothing to do with each other.
Man, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Right lane for the win, y'all. What's up with it, bro?
What's up,
That guy,
Info in the house.
Yeah, I got merch. Yeah, that was him in Orlando.
Tell me about your channel. Tell us about your channel.
Man, we out here on Lookout Racing, man. We got all the live streaming. We got eating this bomb-ass beef jerky from my boy over there. We got merch coming in. Lookout Racing is already some over there, shirts and hoodies. I fly the drone when they pay. And I'm trying to go to different cities and states and record them too. As long as they paying too. I'm trying to get it out there, man. Lookout Racing.
Hey, he running the 8. He running the 8.
He was just out there.
Yeah, man.
So he gonna be in the 750 class.
Oh, shit.
I want to jump in. Oh, yeah.
750 class. Oh. Here go Brian. Here go Brian, y'all.